ito sample workout, walang pahinga. Bicep, tricep, bali dumbbell, plus rope. Kung gusto nyo mauna, legs, squats tayo, bodyweight squats, 10 to 15 reps, and then shoulder side raises, or dumbbell press. And then lat pull down, and then bench press, or pull-ups, tsaka push-up. Yun, tatlong basic exercise. Ito, warm-up set, 15, perfect form. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. 4, 5. Bicep, dalawang muscle. Tricep, tatlo. Bicycle, tricycle. Yun lang yun. Kung mag-argue kayo, tama kayo, mali ako. Bigla tayo pumunta dito. Rope pull down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 4, 5, 7, 8. Yan. Feel the muscle. Hindi masakit yung siko. Tendonitis tawag dun. Pag gano'n, huwag nyo ilakaw. Half rep. Almost full rep. Pero hindi po. Basta walang pain. Exhale. Angat. Okay, 15 reps. Diretso naman sa bicep. Okay. Ano natin? Lock siko. Inhale. Exhale.